and if this is your first Sugar Shack experience, I hope you're gonna love it, because we are going to be gluttons. I'm gonna pour down that maple syrup down my throat. Woo! So we have parked the car and we are walking to the Sugar Shack. We are at the Cabane Handfield, which is in the Eastern Townships of Quebec, so that is south of Montreal. And that's kind of cold. Saturday, it's almost 7 p.m. Even in the country, that's about how much snow there's left. Oh, we spotted more snow, right over here and over there. But yeah, it's nice to get out of the city, and if this is your first Sugar Shack experience, I hope you're gonna love it, because we are going to be gluttons. I'm gonna pour down that maple syrup down my throat. Woo! So apparently this is modern technology. Gone are the days of the metal buckets. You can see the blue tubing everywhere. I think they tap it and just siphon it to the cabin. They actually have a couple of old style ones. So as you can see, you get a bucket. It's tapped into the wood and it collects the maple sap in here to be later boiled into maple syrup. Isn't that cool? Here we are! As we arrive, the hostess takes us to our reserved table with our group awaiting, already snacking on fried pork rinds, very common to eat. And it's a great time to soak up the old country log-like cabin atmosphere before your meal. And why not, let's check out the maple syrup being boiled down to taffy, which is the end of the meal. Can't wait. And it smells. I'm so hungry, I can't wait to eat. It always starts off with a bowl of French Canadian pea soup, followed with plates of smoked ham, pork sausage, meatballs with gravy. Always must have the maple baked beans. You must also have the homemade omelet with potatoes. Oh yeah, baby. That's the stuff. Pour on that maple syrup everywhere.
Okay, now.
Wow, look at that plate just drizzled in maple syrup. So good. Hope you got room for dessert, because we have some sugar pie, some pancakes, also some maple syrup donuts, fresh fruit pound cake with caramel sauce, and yeah, gotta put some more maple syrup on there. You think we're done? No, no, no. Let's go outside and get ourselves some maple taffy.
Otherwise, I'm going to end up eating all of these, and that's not good. You just warmed them up.
So this is the culmination of the Sugar Shack. We're having the maple taffy. As you saw, they just pour it on snow, and you take these sticks and then you just kind of eat it and suck it off. It's so amazing. So I asked him before the statistics. I wasn't sure. He said it takes 40 gallons of maple sap to make 1 gallon of maple syrup, and 1 gallon of maple syrup is cooked down, and that makes half a gallon of maple taffy. So let's enjoy it. Look at that, it just pulls off. It's like taffy. It's so amazing. It's really one of the pleasures of living in Quebec. I am on such a sugar rush right now. It's crazy, about to bounce off the walls. Look at the cool old stove. All right, so let me know, have you ever been to a Sugar Shack before? Is it something that you would like to do? Let me know down below in the comments. And have you ever had like real maple syrup before? You have to. It's like a once in a lifetime absolute must. Hit the like button, please leave a comment, and always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. See you soon.